Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. We're gonna head in and check out all the deals in CVS this week. We've got some really cheap lipstick, nail polish, 99-cent Burt's Bees toothpaste, and a great deal on toilet paper. So let's head in and let's go shopping.
Okay guys, Paparazzi nail polish back on sale really for the rest of the month. So their regular price, 2 for $5, but when you buy 2 of them, you get a $4 reward. So you're gonna buy 2 and pay $5, and then you're gonna get $4 back. That makes them 50 cents a piece. No coupons needed, just a pretty fun deal. If you have a store coupon off of any cosmetics, you could throw it in here along with some other items that you wanted and possibly turn it into a moneymaker depending on the deals that you grabbed. Keep in mind, this is a limit of 1 for the rest of the month, so it is going to carry over. If you grab this next week, meaning like into after Valentine's Day, you would not get the reward again. So one deal between now and February 22nd. Make your own deal on Revlon with new coupons that just came out in Sunday's paper. $3 off face, $3 off eye and lip. So grab any items that you want here. When you have $12 worth of Revlon before coupons, you are going to get back a $4 extra care bucks. So if you grab $12 and then you start using those $3 off coupons, you're still going to get the $4 reward. Now here's a way to possibly make it better. I have a store coupon for $4 off any $20 purchase in Revlon. And this deal is actually a limit of 6, meaning if I grab $24 in Revlon products, I'm actually going to earn 2 rewards. I'm going to get $8 back in extra care bucks. It's pretty sweet. So my plan, grab $24 of Revlon, use multiple $3 off face, eye, lip coupons, use the store $4 off as well, get back $8 in rewards. It's not gonna make things free. I mean, depending on what you grab, but pretty much you could kind of mix this a few different ways. For me, I'm gonna go powder, and for some of the more expensive items, it's still gonna make them like $2 a piece. But you could go eye products, and we see eye creams. They're $8.29. You'll find concealers that are $9.99. Just mix and match. Go for earning the reward twice and then getting back the double rewards, using the store coupon and using as many manufacturer's coupons as you might have with you to make your own deals for Revlon this week. One of the best deals in cosmetics I can't actually show you because my store doesn't sell this brand, but this week, if you grab NYX lip products, they are on sale 2 for $11.98. And when you grab 2 of them, you're gonna get back a $10 extra care buck. Guys, no coupons needed here. That makes those lipsticks 99 cents a piece. If you have a coupon off of cosmetics, yeah, this is gonna be a moneymaker. So here's an idea for you. If you have a 3 off 12 in cosmetics and your store sells NYX, then grab that nail polish deal that I just mentioned on the Paparazzi nail polish. Grab 2 nail polishes, grab the NYX, use your 3 off 12 on the whole deal. You're gonna end up paying nothing for the 2 nail polishes and the 2 lipsticks. Because remember, those nail polishes, they only cost $1. And the lipsticks each only cost 99 cents after rewards. Pretty sweet way to work your store coupon in with 2 deals that we don't have manufacturer's coupons for. So hopefully you're gonna find NYX in your store. I love my store, so I'm not really complaining, and I have plenty of lipstick that I'm obviously not wearing today. So, there's a point where you're like, yeah, it's not here, but I'm not gonna drive across town to go find it either. You should be able to find it in your area without a problem, but it does make for 99-cent lipstick, which is pretty sweet. Pair that in with Paparazzi if you've got a store coupon, and we're talking free. Our Eucerin deal is back. It is again, buy 20 and get $10 in rewards. Guys, we have got some coupons that you can pair in here. A number of $2, $3, and $3.50 manufacturer's coupons from inserts, from printables. So load up. What you're probably gonna head in and do is grab 2 products. So head in with 2 coupons, and then also check your CVS coupons. I've got a $3.50 off any lotion coupon today. So using my store coupon and using double manufacturer's coupons on that, you're basically going to come out to paying a little over $10 and then getting it all back in rewards. So we've seen this deal in Eucerin a number of times, but it is definitely one to grab. So I would stock up. Even if you already have some, use those coupons again before they expire and grab the items that you'll use. There's a really great deal on gift cards this week, so grab $50 worth of participating cards. You're going to get a $10 extra care buck back. There's a number of participating brands here, a lot of restaurants, a lot of local retail. You can only get one. That's the important one on here. So one $50 gift card. You're going to have to pick which one you want, and you're going to get a $10 reward. Remember, you cannot pay with extra care bucks on gift cards. So you are going to pay $50 out of pocket, and you're going to get back an extra care buck to then turn around and use if you want on other deals that are in the store this week. So I would recommend that you start here, you earn your rewards, and then you go ahead and grab any other deals that you might want. Limit one, go restaurant. This is a 20% savings on any gift cards that you do grab. So think about it that way. Cheap way to save on date night with the Chili's and the Brinkers gift cards, or get something for the kids and go with Build-A-Bear or Children's Place, however you want to work it. Date night here. That's where I'm trying to save. So get one, save the 20%, and kind of move on with the rest of your deals this week. You know that I like free toothpaste, but 99-cent Burt's Bees is pretty rare. So if you like Burt's Bees toothpaste, this is your week to grab it. We just got $2 off coupons in Sunday's paper, but there's also one that is a CVS digital. So you really could just grab your phone here, use the CVS app, scan the barcode with the app, and it will load that $2 coupon. So it can't get any easier, guys. Just grab one toothpaste. You're going to pay $2.99 after the coupon, and you're going to get back $2 in rewards. So it's going to make this 99 cents. One other note here, it is a limit of 2. So you could grab your insert coupon and or digital if you wanted to. Grab 2 tubes. You're going to pay 99 cents a piece. If you've got a coupon off of oral care, that is a CVS store coupon, this would get you a piece of the way there. Most of those store coupons are $3 off 12 or higher, so we're not going to get all the way there with Burt's Bees, but if you wanted some other things, you could throw that in too. But if this is your brand, I'd still go ahead and grab it. Okay guys, we've got another great deal on Elvive this week. L'Oreal Elvive, when you buy $15 worth, you're going to get a $5 extra care buck back. And we just got coupons. So use a $4 off 2 coupon from the inserts, or use a $3 off 2 printable. And if you have it, a store coupon off of any hair care. So here's my plan. Buy 4 bottles, that's $16 worth, which is what you need to grab for the deal. So $16 worth. I'm going to use one $4 off 2 insert coupon, one $3 off 2 printable, and a store $3 off hair care. So total, that is $10 in coupons on a $16 purchase. So my total due is going to be $6 at the register. I'm going to get back a $5 extra care buck. So I just paid $1 for 4 bottles of Elvive. Not a bad price at all. Definitely one to add to the list if you don't have the store coupon. So you're just going to go in with the manufacturer's printable and inserts. You'll end up paying $1 a bottle, which isn't a bad price either. It's actually the same price if you head to Walgreens this week, but I like it with the store coupon. So hopefully you're going to have that store coupon too. One more hair care deal for you if you can't decide which one to get. Tresemme this week is 2 for $10 and is giving back a $5 reward when you buy 15. So obviously here you're going to have to buy more than 2 again. What I would recommend, buy 4, just like that Elvive deal, because we've got really high value coupons off of 2. So you want to grab 2 of them. You want to use 2 $4 off 2 Tresemme coupons. In the end, you're going to owe $20. You're going to use $8 worth of coupons. Potentially, you've got that $3 hair care. If you're not using it on Elvive, you could use this here. So that's $11 in coupons on your $20 purchase. You would then owe $9 and you would get back a $5 extra care buck. There is also a Fetch Rewards offer for $1.25 back on any Tresemme that you could also submit. So in the end, you're still going to come out to less than $1 a bottle and a very good price. If you don't have the store coupon here, I would probably go with the Elvive at $1 a bottle because this is going to come out to more than $1 a bottle without a store coupon. But it's still a great price if you like Tresemme. If you can't decide, the Elvive is technically a little cheaper, so I'd probably go with that one. If you want to stock up on toilet paper this week, Cottonelle is your go-to, or Scott paper towels in CVS this week. They're on sale for $10.49, and when you grab 2 of them, you're going to get back a $5 reward. This is really a mix and match deal along with some Kleenex and other products, but to me, this is the best option. We have printable coupons that are available. You also have an Ibotta available on the Cottonelle. So go Cottonelle here and check your CVS account. I have a $4 off $20 purchase of Cottonelle and Scott and Kleenex. So perfect timing to throw in a store coupon along with a $20 purchase. Grab 2 of them, use 2 55-cent printable coupons, 1 Ibotta after your purchase, and your store $4 off. You're gonna end up paying $4.44 a pack. That's a very good price for something that's equal to 36 mega rolls. So hopefully you have that store coupon. If you don't have that one, check for some others. And the easiest way to do this, guys, is, again, I'm always trying to tell you this, is to scan that barcode. So use the CVS app, scan the barcode on the product with the app, and it's gonna automatically tell you any store coupons, any manufacturer's coupons that you have in your account that would apply. I've got a 2 off 10 in toilet paper. I've got that Scott and Kleenex. I've got a household coupon. So a number of options here. Some may stack, some won't. That math at $4.44 a piece is considering just no stacking, just using the $4 off Scott. So follow me on the math if this will help you. Basically, they're $10.50 a piece for easy math. That's 21 bucks. You're going to use 2 55-cent coupons at the register. That's $1.10 off, and the $4 store. So $5.10, working around down there for easy math, 21 bucks minus 5. So you now owe 15 bucks at the register. You're going to get back a $5 extra care buck. So we're basically paying 5 bucks a piece, but you still have the Ibotta for $1 off. So there you go, $4.50. We did some rounding there, so it's really $4.44, but hopefully that helps you in the math section. I love any deal on toilet paper. Folks always ask me, where do I buy this? CVS, drugstores. This is totally a drugstore purchase. So anytime they have toilet paper deals, this is where you should be grabbing them along with rewards, because if I've got some rewards that I've already earned, I have my Care Pass that I can use, that $10 extra care buck basically that you're going to earn each month for being part of CVS Care Pass. This pays for it. Thanks, CVS. You gave me my $10 Care Pass, and I just turned around and bought 2 huge packs of Cottonelle with it. So do that. If you aren't part of Care Pass, that's a whole nother video, but you should do that too. Another very fun deal on household this week: buy 3 participating products, get a $5 reward, and a chunk of them are all $4.99. So grab Tide Pods, Gain Dryer Sheets, Charmin, Bounty. They're all about $4.99. Grab 3 of them. You're gonna get back a $5 reward. Well, we've got coupons. Tide makes for the best offers because we have $2 coupons. You can use 1 digital, you could use 1 printable. Remember, they're all a limit of 1. So we got to do some mixing and some matching here because P&G coupons have such tight limits on them. We don't want to break what the coupon says. We want to follow the rules here. So 1 option, grab 2 Tide Pods, use a digital $2, use a printable $2, and maybe some Gain Dryer Sheets or some Gain Flings. We've got a lot of things that are part of the deal. In the end, you're going to end up paying $1.66 for 2 of these, plus 1 other thing that you throw in with a $1 coupon, $1.66 a piece. Now, this could go lower. I have a $2 store coupon off of $8 purchase in Tide, which grabbing 2 of them puts me at that threshold. So use that. I also have a $2 coupon off of any toilet paper or paper towels. So we could, pop back over to the paper towel aisle and grab that Bounty or the Charmin, 2 of those, and use that store. Again, this is a mix and match. You can truly make this your own deal, but using that store coupon along with the deals is going to make these super cheap. So my plan, I'm grabbing 2 Tide Pods. I'm using a digital and a printable there, and 1 Gain Dryer Sheet. I'm using a $1 off coupon on the Gain Dryer Sheet. That is $5 in manufacturer's coupons. I also have the $2 Tide store coupon. So $7 in coupons. Well, guys, do the math. This is basically a $15 purchase. We're rounding up because, it's easy math. $15 purchase minus $7 in coupons. I'm now paying $8 for it all and getting back a $5 reward. We rounded up. So it's technically 99 cents a piece once we take back down that little penny. And that's a very sweet price for Gain Dryer Sheets and Tide Pods. This is one deal that you can get all over town, but CVS is playing along too. We all got $2 coupons in Sunday's paper for Purcell, and it's on sale at CVS this week for $4.94. So grab 1 pack of pods or grab the liquid. You're going to pay $2.94 just using your coupon here. No rewards needed. It's a pretty sweet deal. You'll get the same price if you head to Walgreens. You'll also find that price on sale in Publix and other places. The coupon is a limit of 1. So if you've got multiple inserts, you might as well throw in 1 here and 1 wherever else you might be running errands this week, and go ahead and stock up while you have the coupon. Hey guys, I've mentioned this deal before, Radiance Vitamins, which is a CVS brand. When you grab $15 worth of Radiance Vitamins, you're going to get back $10 in rewards. Now, we don't have coupons here because it's a house brand, but you probably do have a store coupon off of any vitamins, or if you go to cvs.com and you search for vitamins on their site, you'll see a box pop up with a survey that you can take that will give you a store coupon that you can print off of vitamins. I have a 4 off 18 in vitamins that I'm planning on using. So my plan is to grab 2 B2s. They're $9.29 a piece. That's $18.40 basically. Using my $4 store coupon, I'm going to pay $14.40 and get back a $10 reward. So it makes them $2.20 a piece. Not a bad price if you're wanting some vitamin B. This deal is this week, through this week only. We have seen this repeat, so keep in mind, and I'll show you a tip too. You'll notice on the tags the date, that 2/15. That's a week-long deal. So if this deal comes back next week, I can do it again. So don't panic if you're worried about this one. Just look at the dates on the tag so that you know how long the deal is good for.
So there you go. It was a good day for finding some deals. I'm always excited when I can find a deal on toilet paper. Just something about that makes me happy. So hopefully you will find these same deals in your store. I know that a lot of CVS deals do really become better deals with the store coupons. Guys, that's how they win. So hopefully you are getting a lot of CVS store coupons to make your deals better. Again, if you aren't, make sure you're signed up for the CVS Beauty Club. It's free. Go to cvs.com, just search for Beauty Club and you'll see it. That's going to give you a lot of cosmetics, lotions, personal care coupons. And then the more you shop in CVS, the more coupons you are going to get back. So just stick with it. Don't feel like you need to go overboard either to earn those coupons. Just heading in on a regular basis and grabbing a few deals is enough to regularly get you more coupons. I will also tell you that they tend to rotate. So last week I may have had a CVS house brand coupon for the same product that now I've got a general coupon off of. So kind of watching your store coupons. And then remember, if you're digital, I can save all my coupons on Saturday night and extend the expiration date into this week. So if you didn't use them last week and you're setting an alarm on your phone to just sit there and save all your digital coupons, you are going to be set with a ton of store coupons once all the new offers load in on Sunday morning. So make sure you're doing all of those things to just go crazy on store coupons. If you're just getting started, you want to start really small. I would probably get started this week with the NYX lip gloss or possibly the Burt's Bees toothpaste, because if you're getting started, 99-cent toothpaste probably sounds wonderful to you too. I would definitely keep the list short though. You're not really going to want to sit here and make a shopping list that looks something like this if you're brand new. So this is my list. If you head to southernsavers.com/CVS, you can make your own too. All the coupons are there that you need to use and deal ideas that I can put together for you. Trying to make this as easy as I can for you guys. And then make sure this week you're going to want to have Ibotta. If you're not using the Ibotta app, I'll put a link at the video so that you can get started with that one to get that $1 back on the Cottonelle if you go and you grab the Cottonelle toilet paper deal. So hopefully these deals help and the videos help to see it in store, to get an idea of what you could be grabbing. Start small, don't get overwhelmed, but you definitely want to be shopping a drugstore. And my choice is always CVS.